Decoroso Siguera na kanyang inanunsyo sa Instagram niya ngayong November 15. Our family is saddened to announce the passing of our beloved Decoroso Siguera. Umakyat na siya sa heaven bandang tanghali ngayong November 15, 2020 para makipag-video kay kina Matt Monroe at Frank Sinatra. An awesome father, husband, brother, lolo, friend, leader. He has touched many lives by his kindness, gentle support, and most of all, his sense of humor. We will post details of his week as soon as we have finalized the details. Thank you for all your prayers, good thoughts, and deeds that you've shown our family. Makakapahinga ka na, OG Pogi. No more pain. We love you always and forever, Daddy. #fly away. Mensahe ni Aiza sa kanyang yumaong ama dahil sa sakit na cancer.
Share for 5.